Did you know frogs can swallow with their eyes open? Usually frogs have very large eyes for the size of their skull. When swallowing a large food, this causes the eyes to sink into its skull slightly. This puts pressure on the top of the frog's mouth, which helps push the food into its throat. Did you know a dog can't walk without bobbing its head? Dogs can't walk without bobbing their head. Since dogs have eyes on the sides of their head or have monocular vision, they bob their heads to determine the relative distance of objects in their line of vision. Did you know a crocodile can't stick out and even move its tongue? A crocodile's tongue doesn't move. It is held at the roof of the mouth by a membrane. Because crocodiles spend so much time underwater, the tongue helps them to keep their throats closed, protecting the airway. Unlike other species, the tongue plays no part in feeding. That can be handy for the reptile when snapping its jaw shut rapidly. It wouldn't want to accidentally snap its own tongue off when eating prey. Did you know cats can't move their jaw sideways? A cat's jaw can't move sideways, so a cat can chew large chunks of food. Did you know owls can't move their eyes from side to side? Owls can't move their eyeballs. Did you know that owls don't have eyeballs at all? Instead, their eyes are shaped like tubes held strictly by bones. Because owls can't roll their eyes around like the way we do, they have to move their entire head to look around. They frequently twist their head and bob and weave to expand their field of view. Owls can turn their necks about 270 degrees in both directions and 90 degrees up and down without moving their shoulders. That's fantastic. Did you know cheetah is the only cat that can't retract its claws? Cheetah's claws need to be ready all the time, so that they can take off at a moment's notice. Their claws help to keep them from slipping at high speed. However, they're still semi-retractable. Even cheetahs need to rest up between hits. Did you know snakes can't blink? Snakes can't blink because they don't have eyelids. Each eye is covered with a single clear eye scale. These eye scales protect eyes from injury and prevent the eyes from drying out. That is the reason snakes are unable to blink their eyes and sleep with open eyes. Most of snakes have very bad eyesight due to shed its eye scale and can only track the presence of animals by their heat and when they move. Did you know gorillas can swim? Like the other apes and humans, gorillas cannot swim naturally. Therefore, they avoid large bodies of water and rivers. However, in zoos and sometimes even in the wild, young and adult animals like to play with water. Did you know lions can't roar until the age of 2? Lion cubs start vocalizing as soon as they're born, and some cubs even make sounds during birth. But these sounds aren't roars. A lion roar can be heard from 5 miles away, and they use it to protect their cubs and their territories. Did you know an ostrich's eyes are bigger than its brain? Ostrich has the biggest eye in the whole animal kingdom. its eye is bigger than its brain. An ostrich's eyes are about 2 inches in diameter, almost of the size of a billiard ball. The ostrich needs large eyes to adapt to its lifestyle. On sighting any danger, it doesn't hide its head in the sand as is popularly believed. It will lay their head on the ground if they sense a danger. Thanks to the long neck and legs, which make it stand up to the height of 9 feet, it enjoys an excellent view over the grassland and bush. Did you know a lobster's blood is colorless, but when exposed to oxygen, it turns blue? The bluish tint of the lobster's blood is due to the presence of copper found in the blue hemocyanin molecule in the blood. In humans, the iron reacts with oxygen, giving blood its red color. Snails and spiders also have blue blood. Did you know birds need gravity to swallow? Most birds drink water by filling their bill with the liquid, often from morning dew on leaves, then tilting their head back, using gravity to send the liquid into their digestive tract. Birds must tilt their head to swallow. Pigeons and doves are among the few birds that can suck water while their head is down. They don't need to look skyward to swallow. Did you know macadamia nuts are toxic to dogs? Dogs who eat macadamia nuts most commonly experience weakness in back legs, vomiting, and diarrhea. Did you know koalas sleep around 18 hours a day? Koalas almost sleep 18 to 20 hours a day. Koalas are a big fan of sleeping. They spend most of their timing in sleeping, while the remaining 4 to 5 hours they spend in eating and occasionally mating as well. Did you know African gray parrots have vocabularies of over 200 words? The African gray parrot is known for its ability to talk. Research has shown that the African gray is intelligent enough to not only mimic but also comprehend human language as well as communicate needs and feelings in addition to other clever things. If you leave it with a friend or neighbor when going on holiday for long, the bird will miss you terribly. Did you know a giraffe can clean its ears with its 21-inch tongue? It is commonly known that giraffe is the tallest animal in the world, sometimes reaching a height in excess of 18 feet. Along with its length neck, the giraffe has a very long tongue, more than 1.5 feet long. The giraffe can clean its ears with its 21-inch tongue. Giraffes are the only animals born with horns. Both males and females are born with bony knobs on the forehead. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.